Hey guys, it's me, Sisi Squishies, and me and Sisi's Gacha Vids, and today I'm going to be showing you a plot tour. And if you don't know what that is, it's actually like a server thing where you have like plots. I'll just link it down below. If you play Minecraft, you can definitely do this. I'll just link the link down below. And today I'm going to be showing you a plot tour. As you can see, I just gave you a little peek. So, I'm just going to give the first little thing out. And over here, I just keep it underground so no one like finds it or anything. I have like the heads that they added in the game. So, this is a cute decoration heads. It's actually not in Minecraft, the real Minecraft. But you can like, yeah. I have lots of heads for decoration, and over here I have emoji heads. I don't have that many. Over here I have random heads, like a lot of random heads. Here's I have swords and armor, banners over here. Over here electronic heads, and over here are animal heads. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you the food heads. I have a lot in here, like way too many. I went this really fast. These are stuff I like. One sec. So if this mob spawner doesn't go away, it's fine because it doesn't want to go away. Over here I have 100 spawners, and I have creeper magic and thanks for coming. A thanks for shopping here. A magical armor stand, another one. A Zalium and free shopless torch for some reason. Sword, thank you. I don't know why I have this in here. I have this thanks for coming grum. If you don't know what that is, I'm sorry. Please wait. I also have Jeb, love, dragon egg, and chocolate cake. And if you don't know what this is, it's like a really cool armor stand, which I really like. Like a really like. Like I can make so many stuff with this. So I'm just gonna put that back. Lol. So then I'm just gonna go up, and then I'm gonna try. So over here I have like the start of my house, and I go up. I go in there in the house. Over here, first you'll see like the kitchen part right there. I also, oh my gosh, it's lagging so badly. I also have my computer here without any keyboard. Just imagine there's a keyboard. I can't put one. I also have a bunk bed over here. I have such cool things here. I have some cameras. You can actually sit in these beds. Oh, look at me, I'm sitting. Okay. Yes, I have white eyes. I can't believe it. Wow, I look so ugly. Then you just want to enter the bathroom and you'll see the really cool toilet. So this is like acting as the water. And this is like the toilet paper over here where you have like your little thing, whatever. Over here, like you can press this. For some reason, I just like to do it. So it looks like I'm actually going in the shower, and then I press this. And then I do that again. So it's pretty cool, which I really like. So we can also sit on these, which I completely love. As I said, I'm gonna put the link so you can play this and come meet me. So great. And if you don't know what my name is, one sec. P-chatter. Chat. Let's disable. There we go. My name is Amelia the Noob, which is a really ugly name. Over here I have my friend's house. This is actually a cracked server. Oh my goodness, what is happening? So I'm just gonna give you a little tour of my friend's place. So I have the kitchen, the living room, blah 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 blah, blah 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 blah. What is happening here? Also, he has these weird heads. Okay, sorry if you could just sorry headphone. Oh my goodness. Over here he has like this cool stuff. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, Jumpy. You will never feel cold again? Ha ha ha. Baby. baby, baby. I'm just kidding. Over here has, do you know the way heads? He's pretty weird. He's called I don't know who I am, but who cares? He has this little tower here. He's really good at building, which he's lucky with. Has this really cute blossom tree, cherry blossom tree, cherry blossom cherry, who cares? And I have a little pool here. And then that's completely it of his house. Over here, if you don't know what this thing is, it's actually like a rainbow thing. It's a skin comp. And if you don't know what that thing is, it's actually like a great skin. Sorry about bad skin. Spin around. Like you judge the skins. Does that sound rude? It's kind of weird to say. Judge the skins. You judge the skins and give them bad compliments. I'm just kidding, okay? Oh my goodness. See, as you can see, my name is Million than you. Oh my goodness. And for not the last thing, I only have one more thing to show you guys. Over here, I have like my little park. You go up here, and it's like a really cool site. Oh my god, it's like laggy. What does that sound? It's like super duper laggy here. Here's a baby swing and a normal swing. You guys, you could see it every time. And over here, what did I just do? I have my little sandcastle with a little red flag. Great. I also have a cherry blossom cherry tree. Who cares how to call it? My goodness, please comment that down below. So I have this little cherry blossom cherry tree, whatever. I made this myself. We made that. So I'm not that good. And the last thing is like not very light. Why did I not put any light here? It's kind of crazy. Oh my goodness, what's happening? I'll put some light here. I'm acting weirdly. Oh my god, what is happening right now? This freaking game. I just add a light here, a light here, a light here, and a light here, a light here, a light here, a light there, a light here and here and there and there. Oh my goodness. Will I shut up? Probably not. And then I'll just add 4. Okay. Why is it laggy, dude? Oh my goodness. Whee! There we go. Perfect. So yeah, I'm just gonna put a little light in there. This is like the smallest slide I've ever seen in my life. Whee! It's not that much fun, but whatever. So yeah! So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share. And no one did a hashtag Sisi squad, so I'm not giving any shoutouts, sadly. If you want to know how to join this hashtag Sisi squad and get a shoutout, that will be in the description down under the video. Like right under my feet. See, so you see my feet? Yeah, it's right under there. So, bye-bye!